gosh!
It's just all hooks.
Did you 6 hooks just... Oh my gosh! What have I done? No! No! Just keep hooking me left and right!
You got such a great angle for this.
This is the worst! No!
I'm trying to help.
Oh my gosh, at least it's so trapped. No! There's another Oh good, there's 6v6 Blizzard World! Could just go right into Blizzard World! Oh, this is gonna be crazy! It looks like Disneyland!
It's so crazy.
Oh, the map looks like
Look at
classic Disney map!
Even the gate out back is all Blizzard,
Apparently
like Disney
this is
style.
also a combination map. It is supposed to be
map.
huge. Somebody told me it's the largest.
Let's stay on the point and heal slowly. Ah, damn, Moira's heal is fast.
Oh no, they killed... Oh no, I'm ulting! There's nobody to slice! What? Aw, baby's first wasted ult in the new map. Memories.
That did not look like he hit me.
You, screw you! Yeah, I have 18% weapon accuracy. Stand aside, Kefri. There's just so much to see, though. It's huge, and it's gorgeous, and it's so different. This whole thing is so amazing.
That's what she said.
Oh,
we all have 1,000 HP. Average wait time, 45 minutes for this ride. It literally goes in a circle for 14 seconds.
If we get that little thing into the thing, like into one of the slots, does anything happen?
Ah.
Oh. Darn it. Oh, does it not actually go in there? Come on, Blizzard. This game is unplayable. Get the ball in there. Come on. I want to play a game. This reminds me a lot of like Space Mountain. Oh, it's StarCraft. Oh, I want to get on the ride.
There is one ride you can ride on.
Really? Let's see. Boop. Okay, save the preset. Should be good to go. Yeah, it's like they have 6 Roadhogs, but it's just the 2 of us on our team.
Okay. Oh, there they all are. That's a lot of beef. Or pork, I guess.
Oh, it's so beautiful.
I've hit the skybox. I can't get to it. I'll blow next from the other side of the sky.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, you hit Diva?
Yeah, because like I could just keep using your boost. Oh my gosh, there's like 6 hooks! Oh, this is the worst idea! Oh my gosh!
It's just all hooks.
Did you 6 hooks just... Oh my gosh! What have I done? No! No! Just keep hooking me left and right!
You got such a great angle for this.
This is the worst! No!
I'm trying to help.
Oh my gosh, at least it's so trapped!
Alright, we got him cornered. Yeah, I'm too afraid to get even close to landing. I'm just gonna get jacked up.
Oh, that was the worst thing I've ever seen. Oh my gosh.
No, I'm so hooked.
It's like a horror movie where just like when somebody's pulled down to like the depths.
Trim the fat. Alright,
You ready?
I'm good. Oh, they're actually all hiding.
No!
All of them hid.
Oh no! I thought you were gonna be stupid! You're supposed to all be stupid! I don't understand! I was lied to! Taking turns whipping me.
Anyway, I think that's going to do it for us this week. Thank you guys for checking out another edition of Tony and Hannah Play, whatever this series is called. And yeah, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, tell us what your main is in Overwatch, tell us all your favorite things about Overwatch, tell us about Blizzard World. See you next time.
Ray!